This is DJI Spark, and today I'll show how you can check the sensor state on this drone. So at the start, you will need to enter the fly-in view or the camera interface of the DJI Go 4 app. Now launch settings by tapping at those three horizontal dots you'll find at the top right corner of the display. Inside settings, select the first category, that is the MC settings, scroll it all the way to the bottom, then go into advanced settings, sensor state, and here you have it. You can check the IMU sensor state as well as the compass state. And from here you can also calibrate your IMU as well as perform a compass calibration. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.